Glendale homeowners enjoy beautiful weather for much of the year, but the region's climate also presents unique challenges when it comes to keeping homes comfortable and energy efficient. With long stretches of sunshine, rising summer temperatures, and occasional seasonal temperature swings, it's no surprise that more homeowners are turning to energy-efficient windows as a smart investment. These windows help control indoor temperatures, reduce utility costs, and protect your home from harsh sun exposure, all while adding comfort and value. Here's how Glendale's climate directly impacts the need for energy-efficient windows and why upgrading becomes one of the most worthwhile improvements for local homeowners. High summer temperatures increase cooling needs. In Glendale, summer temperatures can climb into the 100s, placing a heavy load on your air conditioning system. Traditional or older single-pane windows allow heat to pour into your home, making your AC work harder and causing indoor temperatures to rise quickly. Energy-efficient windows are designed to combat this heat transfer through features such as low-E coatings that reflect solar heat, double and triple pane glass for better insulation, argon or krypton gas fills between panes, thermally improved window frames. These features help reduce heat gain, keeping your home cooler while lowering your energy use. Homeowners notice the difference immediately. Rooms stay more comfortable, and monthly energy bills drop significantly. Intense sun exposure can damage interiors. Glendale averages more than 300 sunny days per year. While this abundant sunshine is great for outdoor activities, it can be harsh on your home's interior. Constant sunlight can cause furniture fading, carpet discoloration, wood flooring damage, heat buildup in west and south-facing rooms. Energy-efficient windows help block damaging UV rays while still allowing plenty of natural light. Low-E coatings, in particular, protect interior surfaces and keep your home bright without the negative effects of harsh sun exposure. Desert climate means big temperature swings. Although Glendale is known for its heat, the desert environment also experiences significant temperature drops at night and during certain seasons. Homes with outdated windows often struggle to maintain comfortable temperatures during these shifts. Energy-efficient windows minimize heat loss thanks to their insulated glass and tightly sealed frames. This helps keep warm air inside during cooler nights, prevent drafts, maintain stable indoor temperatures year-round. For Glendale homeowners, this means less reliance on heating systems during the winter and fewer comfort fluctuations throughout the year. Dust and air quality concerns are common. Glendale and surrounding Arizona areas occasionally experience dust storms, known as haboobs, and periods of poor air quality. Older windows with loose frames or worn seals allow dust, allergens, and outdoor pollutants to seep inside. Energy-efficient windows improve indoor air quality by creating a tighter, more secure seal, reducing gaps around the frame, minimizing infiltration during dust events. With proper installation, your home becomes significantly better protected from outdoor debris and pollutants, a huge benefit for families with asthma or allergies. Energy costs continue to rise. With temperatures rising and utility rates increasing, Glendale homeowners are more focused than ever on reducing energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows are one of the most effective upgrades for long-term savings. By reducing heat gain and loss, these windows lower monthly energy bills, reduce strain on HVAC systems, extend the life of heating and cooling equipment, improve overall home performance. Many homeowners recoup their investment through energy savings alone, often within just a few years. Enhancing home value in a growing market. Glendale's housing market continues to grow, and buyers are increasingly prioritizing homes with energy-efficient features. Installing modern, high-performance windows boosts curb appeal, increases resale value, and makes your home more attractive to environmentally conscious buyers. Final thoughts. Glendale's sunny, warm, and often unpredictable climate makes energy-efficient windows more than just an upgrade. They're a necessity for comfort, durability, and cost savings. From reducing heat transfer and blocking UV rays to improving indoor air quality and lowering energy bills, these windows offer year-round benefits tailored to the needs of Glendale homeowners. If you're looking for a smart, long-term investment that enhances your home's comfort and value, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the best decisions you can make.